Today I'm going to be going over 4 separate eyeshadow colors. Safari Not Sorry, Stonehendge, Oh Fudge, and the Emerald City. Okay, shade number 1. Guess what? It has shimmer in it. So where does it go? Ding, 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 your eyelid. This one is a really neat kind of a khaki green with a little bit of frost, nothing too gritty. But I like this shade because it's greenish gold, so it's not going to be too lime green on the eye. After I apply that, I go in with Stonehendge. This is a crease color, so guess what? No shimmer. This one keeps it a little bit more of a cool tone. Yes, you can use Macchiato or Chai Me River, but I feel like Stonehendge just keeps up with like the vibe of the green and the gray. When I apply the crease color, I go in between the eyeball and the brow bone, going a little bit higher up next to the arch of the brow. For a day look, you could wear these 2 colors, pop on some eyeliner, mascara, and be out the door. But today, I'm gonna go all the way. So I'm going to take Oh Fudge, which is a dark matte brown, and I'm gonna use the corner brush and work that into the C shape of the eye to add a little bit more depth. It also tones down the green and makes it a little bit more neutral. Before I do my smoke color, I'm gonna put on my eyeliner in Pitch Black Watercolor Cake Liner. There you have it. There's my eyeliner. Now I have a baseline to smoke the Emerald City off of. This is my favorite part about this look because it's so much fun and it doesn't look like you have a lot of eyeshadow on. Think Estee Lauder Blockbuster sets from Neiman's. That was a lot of color. This gives you a nice little hint of an emerald green, and you can only really see it if you're really closely talking to somebody. I go all the way across the lid, thinner as I go in, thicker towards the outside, and I love this color on my hazel eyes. Now I have the Emerald City on, and I'm gonna do a coat of mascara before cleaning up the underside of my eye. And like always, I take a little bit of concealer when I'm done to sharpen up the edge of the eyeshadow, because even me, being so perfect, it never looks really smooth on the edge. So just by doing that, you can see how much cleaner it looks. And there you have it.